Welcome back to Furious Cars. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the ride. We explore rare machines, modern classics, and everything in between. This channel is all about cars that turn heads, stir up nostalgia, and still make your heart race. So make sure you like, comment, and let me know what car you want to see next. Alright, today we're looking at a nameplate that's pure American royalty. One that screams luxury, elegance, and just the right amount of old-school drama. I'm talking about the 2026 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz Convertible. Yes, it's back, and it's bold. Cadillac decided to bring this icon into the modern age, and let me tell you, it's not just a tribute. It's a statement. So first off, just look at it. The design blends retro swagger with modern aggression. That long, stretched-out body, those vertical LED lights that nod to Cadillac's heritage, and that huge chrome grille that looks like it came straight out of a 1960s movie, this car wants to be noticed. The convertible top folds down like a boss, revealing a cabin that's equal parts lounge and spaceship. Under the hood, you're getting a 6.2L V8, naturally aspirated, no turbos, no electric fluff, just good ol' American muscle. It pumps out 510 horsepower and over 600 Nm of torque, and it's paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic. Rear-wheel drive is standard, but Cadillac's also offering an AWD variant for those who want confidence with their class. Acceleration is solid for a cruiser, 0 to 60 in just under 4.8 seconds. Now, is this car trying to be a track machine? Nope. This is a grand tourer. A boulevard cruiser. Something you drive with one hand on the wheel and the other adjusting your sunglasses. But don't be fooled, it still moves when you want it to. Inside, Cadillac has gone full luxury. Think white Napa leather, real wood trim, aluminum switches, and a massive 18.5-inch curved OLED display that wraps around the dash. There's ambient lighting that reacts to your mood and climate-controlled massaging seats that honestly feel better than your living room recliner. The rear seats. Yeah, they're more than just decoration. You can actually fit adults back there, which is rare in a convertible. And the trunk space is decent too, even with the top down, you've got room for a couple of travel bags or a small grocery run. Now, tech-wise, it's loaded. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 36-speaker AKG sound system that'll make you feel like you're front row at a jazz concert. And of course, Super Cruise, the hands-free driving system that's optional but totally worth it if you do a lot of highway cruising. Cadillac also threw in a few unique tricks. There's a show mode that animates the lights and plays a custom startup chime when you unlock the car. Totally unnecessary, but also totally cool. And the custom Biarritz badging across the interior and exterior. Clean, classy, just the right touch of heritage. On the road, the Eldorado Biarritz is smooth. The magnetic ride control soaks up bumps like they're nothing, and the car just glides. It's not floaty, though. You still feel connected. There's just enough feedback from the wheel to remind you this isn't a cloud, you're in command. And that V8 burble. Music to the ears. Not too loud, not too quiet. Just a refined growl when you hit the throttle. Fuel economy. Yeah, it's not the point of this car. You're looking at around 15 mpg city 23 highway. But again, this isn't a daily commuter. It's a weekend luxury toy. A summer night cruiser. The kind of car that turns every drive into an occasion. Now let's talk about the price. The 2026 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz Convertible starts at around $105,000, but you know how it goes, check a few boxes and you're pushing $120,000 plus. Easily. That said, you're getting style, power, comfort, and nostalgia rolled into one. And honestly, there's nothing else quite like it on the road right now. This isn't just another luxury convertible, it's a Cadillac with a story. The Eldorado name goes back to 1953, and the Biarritz trim was always the top-tier, ultra-glamorous version. Bringing it back in 2026 feels like Cadillac saying, we haven't forgotten who we are. Compared to rivals, well, the Mercedes S-Class Cabriolet is a little more polished. The BMW 8 Series convertible is a bit sportier, and the Lexus LC500 feels like a tech sculpture. But the Eldorado Biarritz, it's got soul, it's got presence, it's not trying to be European. It's Cadillac doing Cadillac. And let's be real, if you pull up in this thing, you're gonna get attention. Valets will park it right out front. Older folks will nod in respect. Younger people will ask what it is. It's a conversation starter. A vibe. A moment on wheels. Final thoughts. The 2026 Eldorado Biarritz Convertible isn't for everyone. It's not practical, not frugal, and not cheap. But it's special. And if you've got a soft spot for big American luxury with a hint of drama and a whole lot of comfort, this one hits different. Alright folks, that's the full vibe on the 2026 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz Convertible. If you enjoyed the review, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to Furious Cars, and let me know in the comments what you think of this modern Cadillac legend. I've got more wild rides coming your way, so stay tuned, and as always, drive crazy but drive safe.